They could care less.
Wow. Did you get some pictures of that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
That is so. You have a video?
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Where's the flip, Steve?
I'm videoing it.
He's got a stick. He's got a stick.
Want to play with my stick?
Look at me. He's got a stick. Oh my God, it's so cute. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Isn't it interesting the dog doesn't ever go anywhere near the other one?
Yeah, right. Alright, ready, Vic?
Hi. Oh my God, it's so cute.
Where's the other one? The other one's just sitting there.
He's eating.
He's eating.
I would like to know where the mother is.
She's around.
You think? Usually we have a lot of deer in our yard. They're usually pretty close.